Hi, I'm Shane Rossi, and I'm here on behalf of Keith's Specialty Store to discuss regular furnace filter changeouts and regular maintenance to help prevent costly emergency call-outs. So the filter to your furnace is generally located in what's called a return drop down in the boot of the drop, conveniently shaped like a boot. Oftentimes it's located in the side access like this. A lot of times it's located in the top. That's generally where you're going to find it. If you have an attic air handler, a lot of times your filter will be located in a drop grill in the ceiling, most generally in a centrally located place. Or a lot of times it'll be located in the side of a wall. In your drywall, you'll have a big grill. You drop it down on hinges. Your filter is right behind it. Sometimes it's inside of the furnace. There's a lot of places your furnace filter will be. Generally, it's pretty obvious. The furnace filter should always there's arrows on the filter that locate the direction of airflow. The arrow should always point towards the furnace. As the return air is being pulled into the furnace and then redistributed throughout the house. A lot of times when I change the filter, I like to write the date on it. So I take a Sharpie, just write 26 Feb 2020. And that helps you keep track of how often you should be changing your filter. If you're new to the place, if it's a new environment, if you got a new pet, for instance, and you want to see if you need to keep up better with your furnace filter changeouts, if you date them, it's a lot easier to keep track of it. You can check it once a month. If you need to change it every 2 months, for instance, for a while, it's all based on your personal needs, on your furnace's needs. And this is just a simple Flanders, easy flow 2, real common filter. You find it at your local hardware store. At Keith's Specialty Store carries these. They're pretty good filters. You know, they do a good job. They collect everything. They don't restrict the airflow, which is one of the most important factors. Yet they still protect the equipment. Just in this example, this is another popular type that you see in hardware stores, but these are way more restrictive. You can see they're pretty restrictive compared to these ones. These are often marketed as the better filter. I tend to disagree, being a professional in the industry. And my fan just shut off, but before it shut off, I had a reading of 0.18 inches of water column, and that's just across the filter, compared to this by far less restrictive filter, which had a 0.03 pressure drop.